Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and as we have continued the motion study tutorial, this is the very simple simulation but yet very fun into it. So I want to put these balls into this stand, okay, this bucket. So how do I do that? First I have to apply the gravity, then I have to apply the solid contact, and I have to apply the time, okay, which is a 2.5 second. Now what you have to do, you can turn on the motion analysis and then go to the gravity. You can select the gravity up in the downward direction. You can select any edge. Okay, let's say this is the edge and I have applied the gravity. You can change the value of it also, and then you can apply the solid contact between all the bodies. Okay, you can select by control A, and it will select whole body, and then you can keep the material and friction as it is for now, because it's normal simulation. We don't need any technicalities into it. So after that you just have to calculate and put the balls into right position. Let's say you don't have to put the ball here because it will fall down from, let's say I will try something else for now. Let's say I'm putting the ball here, and from this side I want to put over this edge. Okay, so let's see what is happening. Let's calculate. Okay, great. Okay, one ball goes down here because it was very fast and also not properly constrained. So that's why you have to put ball into right position. Let's say now I am putting ball from here, from top position. It should be here. Okay, correct. Let's calculate now. Oh, okay, it was interfering. Okay, one ball goes down, no problem. That's how you can set your balls. And then let's do practice where it should be. And in next we will play the badminton or basketball in the motion study. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. Keep sharing, keep learning.